you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about Google Maps. I'm going to tell you how to use Google Maps for trip planning. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open Google Maps. We can easily plan a trip if we need to reach only one point. Long tap on the map. Directions. Choose start location. Choose on map. It was easy. But what if we need to stop at several more places? Tap on three dots, add stop, choose directions, choose on map, change the stops, let's add a couple more stops, choose direction, choose destination, choose on map, choose destination, choose on map, then tap on Done. This way we can plan trips using Google Maps. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.